So we continue this morning celebrating Made in America products with a skilled trades workshop right here on Fox Square.
Yeah, we're going to start right now with Sean Harmer. You're the owner of River House Workshop. You have some beautiful stuff that you make
Thank
right
you
here.
very much.
Tell us about your business.
Yeah, so I take satellite information and I turn it into a topography. So a special place in time, you have the lake you grew up on, a mountain you climbed, or where you got married, and I'll turn it into furniture or a piece of art for you to take home and have that memory forever.
Oh, that's so awesome. And
Yeah.
so this is the machine you use to do this with?
Yes, sir.
So how does that work?
It's a CNC machine, so you program what you want to go into it. And for instance, I carve you guys a sign,
Nice.
and all the way up to something complicated like this, where you can take a whole, landscape and create a real place.
I come from Arizona, the land of all the canyons, and when I
Yeah.
see these things, it's such beautiful work. Any specific wood you have?
It's all different types of material. I like the colored stuff because it's really cool. Like the desert theme for Arizona does really well. That's the Grand Canyon.
Did you go to school to learn this? Or did you learn
I'm all
teach yourself?
self-taught, yeah.
That's so
Yeah,
amazing.
so-
What's your website?
It's riverhouse.co, RIVR house.co.
River
Sean-
without the ER.
Yes, sir.
RIVR house.co. Amazing.
Sean
Thank
Harmer.
you so much.
Awesome stuff.
Thank
We're going
you.
to toss it over to Rachel and Kevin.